Hello children, today let us study Geography lesson number 12, North America, Land of Prairies, part 2. In part 1, you have understood the location, extent and physical setting of North America, and also you have understood by comparing the diversity of physical divisions and known the richness of the lakes of North America. Now in part 2, you can see the competencies which I have already given you before in part 1. We will continue with part 2. Climate and natural vegetation of North America. North America has a wide range of climate due to its vast latitudinal extent and varied relief features, etc. It includes extreme weather conditions ranging from freezing condition in Alaska and Greenland, the tundra type, to burning heat in the deserts of southwest USA, southeast Florida, the Caribbean and the Central America have tropical conditions. The eastern half of North America is more humid. Central and southern regions of the continent are prone to severe storms, including hurricanes and tornadoes. Here you can see the picture of the hurricanes. Picture of tornado. Here is a map of natural vegetation of North America. Now let us go to or continue with the natural vegetations of North America. The natural vegetation and animal life largely depend on climate, soil, and relief features. Due to the great diversity in climate and relief, North America has a wide variety of vegetation. These vegetation belts broadly follow the climatic regions. They are the tundra type of vegetation found within the Arctic Circle. It is found in Canada, Alaska, and Greenland. Here, winters are long and freezing, and summers are very short. The only vegetation found here are mosses and lichens. Some stunted flowering plants are grown in summer season. The animals which survive in this hard and harsh conditions are reindeer and caribou and carnivorous like polar bears and Arctic foxes. Some of the tundra belt lies the cool temperate type of climate region. This is actually a belt of coniferous forest called taiga. The coniferous forests are evergreen and species like pine, fir, spruce, birch, etc. are found here. The fur-bearing animals are found in this region, for example, the lynx, sable, silver fox, etc. Deciduous type is found in east and southeast of St. Lawrence River and Great Lakes. Northern part is cold and southern part of the region remains warm. Here winters are cold but summers are warm and rainfall occurs usually in summer. The trees found here shed their leaves in autumn. Example, cypress, oak, ash and chestnut. The wild animals found here include beaver, black bear, musk, rat and porcupine. The cool temperate climate is found in parts of USA. There is a vast grassland between the Rockies and the Great River Basin, that is Mississippi, Missouri, which is also known as the prairies. This is actually a vast treeless plain. This plain land is known for wheat cultivation and animal rearing. It is called wheat bowl or bread basket of world. Here you can see the coniferous forest picture. The animals, that is beaver, black bear, polar bear and silver fox. Cypress trees, the chestnut tree, and you can see the prairies grassland. Let me continue. The coniferous and the deciduous trees are found in temperate mixed forests. Canada and North California have such forests. Those are the coniferous and deciduous forests. The important trees found in this region are birch, beech, maple, oak, etc. These are the important trees. The southern part of Mexico and the West Indies region has the tropical forests. Mixed forests are found here with hardwood tree logwood. The western coast of California experiences the Mediterranean type of climate. The vegetation is typically adjusted to the long summer drought. Olives, oak, cork, etc. are found here. This region is also known for citrus fruits, that is oranges. The desert condition is found in the western part of the continent in South California, Mexico and Arizona. Different varieties of cactus and thorny bushes are common here. The typical example of cactus is the Joshua. Desert nights are called winters of deserts. Can you see the picture of mahogany tree and the maple tree? Different cactuses. Here in the picture you can see this is desert vegetation. Now let me continue with agriculture. Agriculture is an important occupation of North America. Central lowlands of the continent, especially Canada and USA, are very productive agricultural countries. Which are those? That is Canada and USA of North America. These are very productive in agriculture. Only 10% of the total area of North America is suitable for agriculture. But the production from their farms is very high because large farms, rich soils, adequate irrigation, mechanized farming, and other facilities with human efforts make North America as one of the largest agricultural regions of the world. Regions specialized in the production of specific crops are called crop belt. Corn belt, wheat belt, cotton belt, tobacco belt, etc. Wheat is one of the popular cereals grown in North America, especially in Canada and USA. The prairie region provides the best soil for wheat cultivation. So where do we get wheat cultivation? The best soil, that is the prairie region. Since the population is low, lot of surplus production is obtained, which can be exported. Maize is popularly known as corn. It is grown extensively in the United States of Mexico. Most of the maize is used as feed crop for feeding cattle and pigs. They are reared for meat in Mexico. Maize is the staple food grain. But today maize is grown as a check crop. Here you can see the picture of wheat crop and also the maize crop. To continue with, the other popular crops are barley, oat and potato. Barley and oat can be grown in cold weather. Beer is brewed from barley. Oats is used as feeding crop for animals. Potato is also grown in the continent, which serves as a food crop. Cotton and tobacco are grown as cash crops in the continent. The cotton belt lies along the Mississippi Valley. USA and Mexico are important producers of long stable cotton. Tobacco grows in the South USA, Cuba, Jamaica and Mexico. The USA ranks second after China among major tobacco growing countries of the world. Sugarcane is another important crop grown here. Cuba is the third largest producer of sugar in the world, so popularly called the sugar bowl of the world. So Cuba is the third largest producer of sugar, and because of this it is called as sugar bowl of the world. Sugar beet is also grown in USA. It is major source of making sugar after sugarcane. Let me continue. Coffee and cocoa are the tropical plantation crops grown in the parts of Central America and West Indies. Fruits like grapes, oranges, lime, apple, pears, peaches, etc. are grown in California, Florida, New Jersey and areas around urban centers. California produces 90% of the wine by using grapes in North America. Therefore, California is called the wine country. So, which is the wine country here? It is California because it produces 90% of its wine by using grapes. Shallow continental shelves such as the Grand Banks, George Banks of the New England and Newfoundland coast are popular fishing grounds. So here you can see some of the fishing grounds also. Here are the pictures of fruits which are grown in North America, that is orange and grapes. Now we will go to important minerals of North America. Some of the important minerals of North America pictures you can see here, that is gold, iron, copper, coal, steel, nickel. Thank you children for listening. Thank you for watching. Please show some love. Like it, share it, subscribe it, press the bell icon.